Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Meconium in neonates. Neonates passes meconium by 24 hours. 99% of the patients pass meconium by 48 hours and the neonates will pass urine by 48 hours. Meconium. Meconium is black in color from birth till third day of life. Then transitional stools. In transitional stools are actually the stools which are passed from third to fifth day of life are called as transitional stools and they are green in color. Then the normal stools. The normal stools are the stools passed after fifth day. These are golden yellow in color.
thank you and thank you for watching.